Are you looking for the best sewing machine? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother Serger 1034D. The Brother 1034D Serger is a robust and enduring serging machine renowned for its high-quality metal frame and internal components. The metal frame ensures durability, making it a long-lasting investment for sewing enthusiasts. One of the key highlights of this serger is its high performance, capable of efficiently handling various heavy materials, including multiple layers of denim. With the option to use 3 or 4 threads, the Brother 1034D provides flexibility and versatility in your sewing projects. In terms of speed, the Brother 1034D serger is impressive, capable of achieving up to 1,300 stitches per minute. This speed allows users to complete serging tasks quickly and efficiently, saving valuable time in their sewing endeavors. The speed is conveniently controlled using the included foot pedal. Number 2. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X is a versatile sewing and quilting machine known for its extensive range of features and capabilities. With 70 unique built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitch functions, this machine offers a wide variety of options for sewing enthusiasts. Additionally, it boasts 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, making button sewing a breeze. One of the standout features of the CS7000X is its improved needle threader. It simplifies the threading process by automatically pushing the thread through the needle, saving time and frustration. The machine also features a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, which is easy to load and helps ensure that the bobbin stays securely in place during your sewing projects. Included with the CS7000X are several valuable accessories to enhance your sewing experience. These include a wide table, which provides extra workspace for larger projects, 10 sewing feet, including a quilt guide for quilting enthusiasts, a protective hard case for safe storage and transport, and a trilingual user manual in English, Spanish, and French for easy reference. Number 3. Brother SE600. The Brother SE600 sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile and feature-packed sewing and embroidery combo machine designed to cater to both beginners and experienced crafters. This machine offers a wide range of functions and capabilities to enhance your sewing and embroidery projects. Here's an overview of its key features. The SE600 comes with a generous selection of 80 built-in embroidery designs and 6 different embroidery lettering fonts. This extensive library allows you to personalize your projects with ease, adding creative and intricate designs to your fabrics. This machine is equipped with a time-saving automatic needle threader, which simplifies the threading process by effortless pushing the thread through the needle's eye. Additionally, it features a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, ensuring smooth and hassle-free sewing and embroidery. Number 4. JUKI TL-2000Qi. The JUKI TL-2000Qi is a highly efficient sewing machine designed for quilting, apparel, and home decor projects. It has been updated with LED lights, enhancing visibility during the sewing process. The inclusion of one pedal operation streamlines the workflow, making it convenient and efficient for the user. One notable feature of the JUKI TL-2000Qi is its impressive speed, boasting a stitching rate of 1,500 stitches per minute, SPM. This high stitching speed is particularly advantageous for quilting, apparel, and home decor projects where productivity and precision are paramount. For ease of use and setup, the JUKI TL-2000Qi comes with an automatic needle threader, saving time and effort for the user. The construction of the machine, incorporating an aluminum die-cast arm and bed, ensures low vibration operation, contributing to a smoother and quieter sewing experience. Number 5. Janome Blue. The Janome Blue sewing machine is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experienced sewists. With 15 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole feature, this machine offers a range of options for various sewing projects. The front-loading bobbin system makes threading and setting up the machine a breeze, while the heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures durability and stability during use. Customizable features like adjustable stitch length and zigzag width, a reverse lever, and a darning plate allow for personalized and precise stitching. The 3-piece feed dog system ensures smooth fabric feeding, and the removable free arm facilitates easy sewing of cuffs and sleeves. Additionally, the dual retractable spool pins provide added convenience during sewing. For ease of use, the Janome Blue sewing machine comes with tutorial videos, a built-in bobbin diagram, and a quick start guide, making it accessible for those new to sewing. The included accessories such as the zigzag foot, zipper foot, blind hem foot, buttonhole foot, bobbins, needle set, foot control, and instruction manual enhance the overall sewing experience and enable a wide array of sewing techniques and styles.